Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss here poetic inspiration according to Aristotle. So what he told the poet, poetry is a light and winged and holy thing. According to him, there is no invention in his mind. There is no power in the poet. There is no mind in the poet, and he is unable to utter his oracles if he has not been inspired. And all can he do with the inspiration. If he has been inspired, then it is possible for him to write the poetry. That is all from my side. Thank you very much for being the part of this video. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, share my videos, and also click on the bell icon to get the instant notification. I will be here with the next video, poetry rejected by Plato on the following ground. We will discuss it tomorrow. Thank you very much from my side.